Caution, 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 caution. Oh, sounds like this is the way I should go. I don't know how far I'll be biking. Wow. Wow. Lots of landslides. Uh-oh. That whole side went in. Quicksand. What a mess. Whoa! Wow. Completely wrecked. Almost every single one of these hills has a landslide on the side of it. I think I need to get a closer shot. Amazing. Totally new trail system. Whoa! Ah! To tell you the truth, I have no idea where I'm at. These branches are all muddy. This thing was completely underwater. It's getting too narrow to ride. I just have a feeling the Jedi's a whole new canyon. Howdy. Did you go all the way to the top?
Not to the Jedi, I got all the way to the base.
Yeah?
Kind of pointless, man.
Is it, it's completely washed, huh?
Yeah, it's completely pointless. You're better off riding in the rut.
Yeah, I was down there for a while, and it was getting really narrow, and I couldn't pedal in most places, so I'll at least go up and get some footage.
Yeah, it's
this is gonna be a completely different trail.
yeah, it's kind of a bummer, but maybe it's gonna be for the best.
Yeah, who knows? This may end up being a great single track through this ditch.
The guys who created all the trails, you know,
Yeah.
the single track back there, you know,
Yeah.
made some good trails, so hopefully
Yeah.
we could.
Well, it'll be interesting.
But yeah, watch your you have some boots on, so that's good.
Yeah.
'Cause it gets really, really soft.
Oh, does it?
And you can-
Okay. Like past the ankles, huh?
Yeah. I ran as far as I could go up the gully, then I kind of get a little spooked. For some
Yeah,
reason.
I was spooked back there. The walls were about
Yeah.
15 feet on each side, and it was like fresh landslide.
Yeah.
I'm thinking, yeah, if this goes, that's it.
Yeah, so I came up here and it's
Yeah, I'm gonna try to stay on the original trail as much as I can on the way back.
yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Have you been up on the ridges at all?
Haven't made the ridges yet.
I'm gonna try up there. I was gonna.
Wow, that whole side of the hill came right down into here and ended up in the Rite Aid parking lot.